Xiaomi has officially confirmed the launch date for its 14T series smartphones. The Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro are set to debut globally on September 26th. The teaser highlights that the phones will feature Leica optics. Recently, official-looking renders of the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro have leaked, showcasing all the available colors. The Xiaomi 14T will be available in lemon green, Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 14T Pro will come in Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray. Real images of both the Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro have also surfaced online, with a TikTok user sharing a hands-on review video of the lineup. The Xiaomi 14T Pro, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, managed to score 9,369 in the single-core benchmark and 26,083 in the multi-core benchmark. Out of the box, the phones will run on Android 14 and pack 12 gigabytes of RAM. The Xiaomi 14T Pro will feature a 6.67-inch 144Hz OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 1,600 nits of nominal brightness, and 4,000 nits of peak brightness. For photography, the Xiaomi 14T Pro will be equipped with a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 900 primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixel 2.6x Leica telephoto camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. As for battery life, the Xiaomi 14T Pro will sport a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 120-watt fast charging. Pricing rumors suggest that the Xiaomi 14T will start at €649, while the 14T Pro will be priced at around €899. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.